So I'm posting this video and it's a very raw video. Now, YouTube has been annoying the hell out of me lately, and I think it has been annoying a lot of other content creators lately. The biggest thing with YouTube right now, if you want to grow a channel, is you need to niche down, and I'm talking niche down, okay? So my channel grabbed a lot of traction from my music video tutorials, which is probably why you subscribed to me in the first place. Now the issue is that I don't actually film a lot of music videos anymore. I film a lot of corporate videos. I film videos that actually pay me real money so I can make a living as a content creator and a filmmaker. Because at the end of the day, and I'm sure a lot of people can relate to this, I don't live in Los Angeles. I don't live in a big city like Vancouver. I live in a small city of about 300,000 or 400,000 people, and making a living off of music videos alone is very, very difficult. And again, people could relate to this as well. A lot of people where I live in a smaller city, even though I've been filming music videos for, maybe 5 years or so, it's like pulling teeth to get an artist to pay me more than $1,000 for a music video. So it's gotten to the point where if I'm not filming music videos all the time, that means I'm not really producing music video related content. You can see this in YC Imaging. He's got over 400,000 subscribers. Jacob Owens, Buff Nerds Media YouTube channel, has over 800,000 subscribers. And there's many other content creators out there that create filmmaking tutorial videos. They're starting to see now when they post a daily vlog or maybe a review of a product on their channels that relates to filmmaking. So it is overarching, like in the filmmaking niche. They're noticing that those videos just flop, and it's because YouTube doesn't know who to show that content to. And the people who originally subscribed to, let's say my channel, like if I post a music video tutorial, it's gonna get good views. But then if I post a lifestyle vlog or a video talking about my latest corporate gig that I shot, it's gonna flop. And the reason for that is because the people who originally subscribed to my channel didn't subscribe for those two different videos, right? So now I'm at a little bit of a loss. Do I pivot and do what the YC Imaging is doing, the Jacob Owens is doing, and starting brand new channels and having their super fans move over to the channels, but also, gain more subscribers that are actually subscribing for the content that they're posting on their new channels? Or do I try to pivot my Rosette production channel that you're watching right now and, start posting content that I actually want to post? At the end of the day, I've been thinking a lot about the direction I want to go on the channel, and is it possible to even pivot a YouTube channel? Now, I've tried looking this up online. I just can't find an answer. So I'm just gonna talk about it really quickly right now. I posted music video tutorials for about 3 years straight, and then I came out with a fitness video tutorial on how to shoot epic gym videos. This video has about 250,000 views, and it is a runner-up against the Parker Wallbeck tutorial of how to shoot cinematic looking gym videos. It's the second most viewed fitness video tutorial on all of YouTube. So I definitely broke through the noise, and not only the noise of other people's tutorials for fitness videos, but I also posted on a channel that was very laser niche focused on music video tutorials, and YouTube still recommended that video and still recommends it to people. It's still getting videos while we're making this video right now. So that fitness video tutorial kind of gave me a little bit of hope that I could actually pivot this channel a little bit. So this is my plan for this channel moving forward. So one, a lot of the technical tutorials in terms of music videos, like specific to music videos, are actually gonna be posted on a different channel, which I'm gonna announce in a little bit. It's coming very soon, and I'm actually collaborating with another music videographer who creates tutorial content on YouTube. Is very well known, very well liked in the industry, and very, very highly skilled. And we're actually both gonna be posting YouTube music video tutorials on that channel, but we're gonna keep it very niche specific. Now, secondly, am I gonna stop posting music video content on here? No. So let's say I go out and shoot a music video. I'm gonna have a behind the scenes vlogger, and I'm gonna show you guys more so just like a vlog process of what's going on, kind of like a YC Imaging type video where there is storytelling involved, but I'm not really getting too into the technicals of music videography. So the actual technical behind the scenes, what you're used to seeing on this channel, will land on a different YouTube page, but then the lifestyle type vlog of being on a music video set and you just seeing the overall process and me doing my thing is gonna be on this channel. Now, secondly, moving forward on this channel, what are you going to expect to see? I personally like reviewing gear. I love reviewing, and it's really weird, but I like reviewing gear from companies that are very up and coming that are new. So for example, I reviewed some wireless mics from a company called Comica, and they're totally up and coming. They made wireless mics similar to the DJI wireless mic system, but they're very, very affordable. I feel like a lot of people who follow me on this channel are beginners who are looking for budget-friendly gear. So that's something, you know, that I could actually review, provide some really good insight on, and if I feel that it is a really good product, so then I can tell you guys, hey, if you can't afford the really expensive DJI mics, there's also a more affordable option right here. I think getting more into the influencer marketing game is something that I definitely want to do moving forward, because I'll be completely honest, in a year from now, I want to be shooting like 20% client videos, 80% YouTube content, and, you know, making online courses. So I feel like on the channel, I have done a very poor job of actually showing you guys what I'm doing day to day and how I actually make a living as a full-time filmmaker and content creator. So moving forward, and let me know in the comments below, are you guys actually interested in seeing how I am making money off of different projects, whether they're corporate gigs, fitness gigs, talking head internal videos, breaking down budgets? So let's say I do film a $4,000 talking head video or a brand video. How am I actually breaking down the budget? How am I shooting the video? How am I upselling the client on, call it, social media cuts? How am I actually making good money as a content creator? And I feel at the end of the day, yes, I posted a lot of music video tutorials on here, but that is not my main source of income, and honestly, it doesn't even come close. It's important to not be too emotionally invested in a YouTube channel, but I mean, man, like, I started this YouTube channel like almost a decade ago, and it's still not at 100,000 subscribers, which is crazy because like I feel like there's so much value on this channel that I've given out for free. I do want to give it one last shot before starting a new channel that is very niche specific, whether it is just my vlogs or maybe talking about how I make money as a corporate filmmaker, and just like breaking different channels down for different niches. I just really would rather not go down that route and try to make this channel work. If you guys would appreciate content where I'm actually showing you guys like how I make money, how to make more money as a content creator, then let me know in the comments down below. So with all that being said, thanks everybody for watching. We will be pivoting the content on the channel very, very soon, and I can't wait to show you guys what I come up with in terms of new content. So thanks everybody for watching. Catch you on the next video. Peace.